This is my crash damaged Mark 7 Golf, and we are going to be looking at rebuilding this. So in today's video we're going to be repairing my Mark 7 Golf that is crash damaged. This is the damage. All the airbags were deployed. Not all the airbags, just the front. So you've got the steering wheel airbag, dashboard and the airbag. Seatbelts are all locked out. Radiator has been burst. Start taking it apart to see what bits we need to fix this. So here I'm taking off the headlight supports because they are stuck to the bonnet, and there's no other way to get it open, so I have to take these off to get through. Right, so here I've got the bonnet off. I need to disconnect the boot latch because this was stuck, and then obviously open up the bonnet from there. So here I have a look at the headlights to try and disconnect the wiring for these. However, they are very beyond the point of repair. I have looked at getting a new set of, a set of these. I bought these as a pair, but I'm just seeing if they supply them singly. Right, so here you'll see me trying to get the wing off. As you can see, it didn't come off that easy at all. You'll see what I used to get it off in the end, because I could not get the driver's door open far enough to get to the bolts. This is quite annoying. This happened. I was trying to stand my phone up and it fell straight down. But as you can see, I have peeled the wing back, and this is where the trusty tool comes in to start doing the fair bit of work. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please like and subscribe to help support my channel, and if you do and help me support my channel, I could potentially be doing another build. I did take the front bumper off and try to record it, but my phone had other plans, so unfortunately that wasn't in the video. However, I have got removing the crash bar. everything seems all fine here. This is all bent. That potentially needs replacing. But so far what we need is bonnet, rad pack, wing, bumper, headlights. As you can see, just through here, that is snapped just down there. So the engine mount would need replacing. This is all I'm going to be able to do in this video. The parts that I've ordered so far is an airbag for the steering wheel, a knee airbag and a radiator. Just waiting for the rest of the parts to get here, and then I will carry on doing some more videos for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.